Hello, my name is Krista, and with today's video, I'd like to show you how you can construct M20 millimeters bolts with pitch 1 millimeters and a fine thread. Okay, so now first of all, I'd like to explain this measurement here, h, how I have a coming that this is square root of 3 divided by 2 and multiplies by the pitch, which is 1 millimeters for fine thread. Okay. Here we have a h. H is this measurement here, and this measurement here is the p divided by 2. Okay. So now h, which is this one, divided by p divided by 2 is the tangent from 60 degree, because 90 minus 30 is the 60 degree here. Also this is here 60 degree. So h divided by p divided by 2 is the tangent from 60 degree, and this one is here. H divided by p, a tangent 60, it gives this formula here. H from here is the p divided by 2 multiplies by square root of 3. This one goes here, and the multiplying, and we have this is h. Okay, so now how we can calculate this one, where it's come from this one. This is for external thread. This is this measurement from here is the 5h divided by 8 plus h divided by 4, this measurement here, okay? And I have written here. So we have here, we multiply 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. This is 8 here. But here, 5h plus 2h is the 7h multiplied by a square root from 3 divided by 2 multiplied by pitch. Pitch is 1 millimeter. And this one gives this measurement. Okay, so now here we have this measurement is the p divided by 4. And after that, we will sketch this one here. So p divided by 4 is the 1 divided by 4 is the 0.25 millimeters. Okay, now we have everything. So we can start to sketch our M20 millimeters bolts. We start mechanical design. We take part design first, and we write here M20 mm. Enter. I hit this one here, and after that I take the sketch here. I take a circle. So dimension. The dimension is the 20 mm. Enter. We have emit 20 millimeters. We go out. Okay. So now we will take which length we will take. We have here M20. I will take this length here. I will take 100 millimeters. So I'm taking the, I hit the pad here, and writing that this one is the 100. Okay. Now I have this length. This is okay. So now I can hit this one here and the sketch again. Okay. So you see now that I'm this one coming back here. But if I'm going one time here, one more time to here, to this one, to normal view, so coming in the right side. Okay. So now I will hit this one and I will take the polygon. Okay, hit this one. And after that, so and you just draw and find the 6, 7, 6, enter. Okay. Now this one is finished. Okay, if you like, it's good to take one center line here. So, if somewhere you have a problem, and this center line is the vertical, so you can take here, just hit the dimension. You can take this point here with this point here and right click and take the coincidence, and now you have a fast in this. Okay, good. Now, SW is the 30 millimeters for bolts M20. So I take this one here, and I'm doing the same. I'm doing the same like here. What's the problem? Again. I'd like to take this measurement here. Just a moment now. Distance. If you have a problem, just right click and take the distances, and after that I'm doing again. So you can see what make the problem. So you see now, this gives me not something which I don't understand. So you just right click and take the distances, and after that you come into the right measurement SW, and SW is the 30. So just hit and write 30, enter. Now this one is okay, and the height, and we go out now. We have finished this one. Now we can take pad. So pad goes up. We must reverse this one. And the writing here that the pattern is the 30 millimeters. So here we will writing 30 millimeters and enter. Okay. Now we will construct this one here, this which goes out, and this one here is the same. So how can we do that? Okay. First we must come in this line here or this line here. So this is the plane we will sketch. Sketch. Okay, so now we will take a line here. You can take which you like, it doesn't matter. So, and so. Okay, remember this dimension is very important here. Okay, how much is this one? This is the SW divided by, no, yes, this W divided by 2 is the 30 divided by 2 is the 50 mm. Now, I'd like to coincidence this one here. You hit here and here, right click and take coincidence. Okay. And then you hit again, you take this one, we will take angle here. The angle must be 30, approximately 30 degrees. So now you can give measurement here if you like, or if you dislike, you can do the coincidence will be the same. It doesn't matter. You don't need to do a coincidence. But okay, we're doing just for now. So now everything is okay. We have a right measurement. We go, and anyway, you can take a sketch analysis here and hit, so you can see that everything is closed, so you can go out. So we go out here, and then now we take a groove, and we take this one here, and this is the 360 degree, and okay. So now we have the same like this here. Okay. Now we can take this here, where we do the chamfer. And the chamfer, I'm taking the same to the pitch I have used. This one is the 1 millimeters, and the 45 degree is the, I just hit OK. Okay. Okay, very good. Now, I'd like to take one point. Okay, I know that this measurement from here, from this plane here, bottom plane, to here is the 100, and this is the z-axis. I'm writing here 100, okay? And this diameter here is the 20 millimeters. But from here to here, in x-axis is the 20 divided by 2. So now we have a point when we can do a helix. We go to start, mechanical design, and we take the wireframe and surface design, click this one, and here it is helix. Sometimes maybe can come like this, I'm sorry. So you don't see this one. You must click here and take helix. Okay, you hit the point, and you must change this one. I'm doing height and pitch. The pitch is 1 millimeter, we see, and the height I'm taking, let us say, 75 millimeters from this point will we go down. So they ask me axis. I take this axis. So you see that this coming up. So I reverse down and click OK. Now we have everything to start to sketch. So you see the point is here. I must use this plane here to sketch the how people call that in English. I'm using something which this material will be okay, you can see down. Okay, now we will sketch okay. So now I have a sketch one triangle. I'm sorry because I don't know. I'd like to use something sometimes must also I'm doing now the cutting tools here. This is the cutting tools. So I will construct the cutting tools. Okay. So now I'm taking I'm taking this 3 tangent circle. I take one here, and one here, and now I have this circle, and I mark this one and hit and hold the control motion and do 3 lines, and after that right click and select construct elements, and this must be in the construct elements, and after that I'm taking dimension here the center to this point, right click and coincidence. Very good. Now we have this one sketched. Right. Now we will take one line here. Okay. And this line is aligned very well. So I will change this to the construct element. Also, first you click here and right click, line and construct element, right? And then now you take dimension, and this dimension, how big is one? This is the 0.25. 0.25, enter. Okay. And I take dimension 2 from here to here. You see now they give me the trouble. This line is not vertical, but I can just, you see now, I can click here one time, right click, go down and take, now, okay, one more time. Something is, what's the problem? This is horizontal, but this must be a vertical here. Okay, I'm deleting this one, I'm doing one more time. Okay, okay. First I'm taking this one here, and this angle must be the 60 degree. You see here. This is the 60 degree. So now I'm constructing this one. Here, this, and this. So if this one is 60, and this one 30, and this one is the 60, I'm constructing this and this. Okay? So this is 60 degree. One more time, another side. This is 60 degree too, right? Now I will take this measurement here. And now it's okay. So I will start word here to see where I am. And this measurement, I use this measurement here. I will change this one to double click and write 0.758 and enter. Okay, very good. Now, we go here and take 3 points arc. Okay, first we try to take here and here. And we said that this is good, but now I must do the tangent here with this one. Okay, you see that now I have a magenta color, so I must delete one of these dimensions if I like to have if I have in this, this is show for me that this is ever constrained. The sketch is ever constrained. So now I take a line from here to here. I'm taking another line here to here. Okay, so now everything is the green, which means that everything is okay. You see here is the 60. We will control one more time. 0.758, 0.25, 0.25, 60 degree. And I will go now here to tools, sketch analysis. I hit that everything is closed, and I'm going out. So if you see if everything is okay. Okay, now you hit here one time, right click and define this in object, define in work object. Okay, so now here we have a wireframe and surface design. We must go to mechanical design and take the part design. And after that, we take this here, which is the slot. I take the slot. I mark this one time. After that, I take the helix. Okay. And now I'd like to do a settings here. I take in the pulling direction. And I'm taking this one here. Okay. Preview. And okay. So now we're done. Our job is finished. So if you like to do, for example, this one, if you like to cut this one, you see that this one is not good, you can take this one and click the sketch. You just mark this one and take project 3D elements and the OK, right? So you have and now everything finished. You go out from here and you take just pocket definition and you see which side this is. The side is right, just OK. And so now we have taken everything is very beautiful. You see the thread is good. So now we can take a materials. So if you like to take the materials, you take the apply the materials here. Okay, you had and you take the metals. This is the some materials of steel. You mark this one here and apply materials. Okay, and okay. So I'm doing that again. So because maybe for the people is difficult this one. First, you click here. Okay. After that, you take metals. You take the steel. You mark this one here. Apply materials. And OK. So now we have a steel. Right. Now, if you go in here and click this one here, which gives the shading with materials, you see that this one is black, but we can take a lightning. The lightning is double, okay. But now we can do some changes here. You double click here and there opens the properties for the material. You double click here, you click just one time here, and you go down. We will take this one. For example, we take OK, and then now, if we think that this material is not good, so we can take a little bit like this one here, this. So you can play with that. How do you think is good or no, something like that. So I think this is like some materials. I don't know. You can do that by own. You don't need the same like me. Apply, okay. So now everything is finished. I hope you enjoy this video and please subscribe if you think that it's good and give the comments. Now I will do that with the, I will construct with the Newt too, so you can see how people doing in CATIA. Thank you very much. See you again, and goodbye.